you're here to stay or going away for your spring break that's coming up, Genius Phone Repair has you covered for anything that you could need for your investment. Get a new case, LifeProof, OtterBox, anything Nimbus 9 related, or a screen protector, and we can put it on your phone in a matter of minutes so that you are protected for this spring break. We do offer insured screen protectors for you as well. $45 up front and a free installation from us lets you have peace of mind at $150 worth of coverage if anything does happen to your phone. If you end up traveling somewhere away for this spring break, keep in mind, stay away from sandy places with your phone out in the sand. Getting that sand in your charge port and headphone jack can cause a couple problems, but if you do end up getting in there, we have a cleanup and inspection service that we can go through with your phone to get anything dirty out of your charge port, headphone jack, microphone, earpiece, and anything else open ports on your phone. Definitely help it out. Keep in mind, if you're going somewhere warmer or colder for this spring break, your battery is susceptible to rapid temperature changes. Whether your battery gets too hot or too cold, it can definitely impact your battery life and ruin the longevity of your battery in the long run. We can do a battery replacement for you if you want after the fact if you notice some sort of detrimental, drastic loss in your battery life where you used to last you all day and now it only lasts you a couple hours. We can definitely take it in, see if it's going to be the battery, and offer you a repair quote after that as well. If you come back from spring break and your device is a little bit waterlogged or got a little bit of water in it, they're not exactly waterproof, so we can definitely help you out with that, either cleaning it out or going through a water damage treatment service for you to try and get it back up and running for you. Have fun and stay safe this spring break. From all of us at Genius, have a good one.